Hello everybody, it's the 7th of May 2024 and this is my large Kojo no Mai cherry. Is this my Kojo no Mai cherry or is this my... No, I don't think it is. I think I might be talking rubbish. Honestly, sometimes my brain... no, this isn't a Kojo no Mai. As soon as the words came out of my mouth, I thought, no, it's not. This is Incisa Paean, and what I've been doing is, well, I pulled all the cherries. I thought I'd pulled all the cherries that were forming off earlier in the year, and now I'm just pinching out these growing points, and I'll keep doing that for the next a week or two, maybe into June. After that I'll be pinching away next year's flowers because it will flower on wood that has grown this year. The other caution, of course, they always say about cherries is don't prune them when they're not growing because of a disease called silver leaf. But basically I want to encourage a more ramification, so that more finer branching and hopefully more flowers as well to boot, as it were. So do that. I can see there's a dead piece that I missed somewhere, which I can now prune away now that the tree is in full growth, and there it is. I was going to say I had seen it and now I can't. Okay, that's probably all is warranted for this tree today. Let's bring you back round to the front. Yeah, we will leave it at that for now. I'll pop it back on the bench. As you can see, just taking out all the tips. There's one there, missed. Children next door having fun by the sound of it. Okay, so it's the, what is it? It's the 12th of September today, and this tree is racing towards autumn. It's already starting to colour up. It's one of the few trees that I have that reliably turns red every autumn. A lot of my trees turn various shades of yellow, but this one almost always goes a glorious shade of red. Nothing really left to be done with this tree for this season. I do want to clean this moss from the root bulb here, which longer term watchers of my channel will know I don't like moss. I don't like looking at moss. I don't like moss on my trees. I don't like moss on my pots. For no other reason than I don't like it. And I can't answer more equivocally than that. I know why I don't like moss on the actual trunk here, because it'll sit and rot the bark, which is bad for the tree, but why I don't like it on the soil surface, I can no more really answer that than if we walked around an art gallery together and I said I like that picture and I don't like that picture. There isn't always a rational reason. I'm looking at this tree. As much as I hate to do it, I don't like this piece that's sort of cutting in. So I'm just going to cut it away now, whilst the tree is still in some growth, because there is a disease called silver leaf that gets in if you prune a tree, a cherry tree, during dormancy. I've also spotted a dead piece here, so I'll cut that away. And likewise, there's a dead piece here, a piece growing inwards here. I'm almost doing a winter pruning. I'd also like to put a piece of wire on that, I think. So I'm just putting a small piece of wire on this branch, very loosely, because all I want to do is to bring it out from where it was going back into the centre of the tree, and changing the tree's silhouette slightly. That's better. Yeah, that branch is now outwards rather than inwards, just a little bit more, and I think that looks better. And then I might just remove that piece as well. Okay, so there you have it. That's probably all for this tree. The tree is perhaps a little taller this side. I'm just gonna trim that back like that. I don't want to lose too many flowers, and then I'm going to call it quits for now and give you a quick 360. And then I'm just going to say thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Do all the usual YouTube things, the liking and subscribing, the commenting below, but mostly please stay safe everybody.